What's going on, everybody? Well, today I'm going to be testing out this King Griller by Char-Griller. I went fishing past couple days. I'm going to be trying to smoke up some fish. Now this one is a lemon pepper. Then I have some lemon dill. And then I used up some of my garlic from last year in a lemon garlic. These have been sitting overnight for one of them and a couple nights for the other one. And this Char-Griller, pretty good. It works great as a regular barbecue. Did some hamburgers on it. Haven't tested out the side smoke box yet. So I'm going to be testing that out, seeing how it does. And I'm not very good at smoking, but figure give it a try. See how it works. And get these out of here. And set it for smoke. Maybe I'll have some really yummy fish here shortly. While I'm waiting for the coals to get white, I wanted to let you know I did put this together myself. It wasn't too bad. It took about 2 hours to put together before I could actually do some hamburgers in it. Little frustrated in points, but it was better than some of the Walmart furniture I've put together in my past. So in there, I'm using hardwood lump charcoal, oak and hickory. Then I also have some old cherry branch to put in there to get some smoke going. Alright, so I got the fish in place. Got the coals going nice and good. Now I just got to get it up above 180 degrees and try to keep it below about 220. Has a nice thermometer on it. And I'm going to add some cherry wood to it really quick. Give that initial smoke. Alright, here goes nothing. And we're getting our initial smoke coming out. Probably have to close the damper a little bit. There we go. Now all I got to do is maintain the temperature a little bit. Well, I'm about 10 minutes in. Temperature's at 250. Smokestack going. Got the dampener shut all the way. A little bit hotter than I want to have it, but maybe as it dies out a little bit, it'll cool down. Well, it's been about 45 minutes and the temperature is mellowed out to about 230 degrees, a little bit above 230. In here I got some of the woods burned. I got the damper all the way shut. And I've put in some cherry wood in there in order to give it a little bit extra cherry smoke flavor. And tossed in a couple pieces of the charcoal. So we're just going to let it go for a while longer. Alright, so temperature's gone down to a little under 200. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more charcoal briquettes in here. or actually not briquettes, the lump wood. Get it smoking a little bit better. That should raise up the temperature. And just got to keep tending it. It's been about 2 hours now. Okay, so it's been about 3 hours. My temperature's at 200 degrees. And I got to put a little bit more briquettes in here. So almost 3 hours. Open it up, take a quick look, see at the fish. Looks like it's pretty well smoked, but I like my fish a little bit drier. So I'm gonna go ahead and stoke it up some more. Add more briquettes. Keep saying briquettes. And then add a couple pieces of these cherry twigs. Trying to do it with one hand. Give it a little bit more smoke. Well, it took about a minute and a half for it to start smoking again after put in that cherry wood and some more of the oak and hickory hardwood lump charcoal, not briquettes. And I can smell it. I can smell it all over the yard. All right, well, it's been about 4 hours almost. Made a new raised bed while I've been cooking my fish. Let's open it up. That looks tasty. So let's see how well it tastes. Oh, that's just peeling off. Ooh, hot. So this one is some of the garlic and lemon. Very, very, very soft. Oh man. One thing though, trout has a lot of bones. That is good. Let's see how the thicker ones are doing over here. Oh yeah. This is some of my dill and lemon mix. Oh yeah, the dill just sort of sneaks up on you. That is tasty. Let's see how just a lemon pepper tastes. That is delicious. That is just delicious. I'm impressed on how this thing is smoking. Thought maybe a little too hot, maybe not too hot. But still, I can go to town on this thing. And I'm not very good at smoking either, so. Well, this is the Smoking Aces. I'm going to read it. Model 3018 King Griller. And it's by Char-Griller. And like I said, you can buy these things picked up or already put together at Lowe's. And this one I put together myself, 2 hours. Not too bad to put together. Smokes just fine. The handle's cool because it doesn't get hot. And I am gonna go eat me some fish. This is awesome. I'm gonna have to harvest more garlic here shortly for this. Sorry, talking with my mouth full, but it's just so good. Well, once again, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.